Hi, my name is Kristen Skelton, and I'm from the University of Illinois Extension, and today we are going to make quick and easy breakfast burritos.
We're going to spray our microwave-safe dish with non-stick cooking spray. We're going to crack eggs and place into a mixing bowl. Add milk and pepper to eggs and stir well with wire whisk or fork. Pour mixture into microwave-safe dish. Cover and microwave on high for 4 minutes. Cook eggs until internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Eggs should not be runny. Carefully remove eggs from microwave using pot holders. Remove cover and use a fork to break apart eggs into bite-sized pieces. Place one tortilla on a plate. Add half of egg mixture to middle of tortilla and top with 2 tablespoons of salsa and 2 tablespoons of sliced black olives. Repeat previous 2 steps with second tortilla.
Okay, this is the end product, and this is a quick and easy breakfast for when you're on the go.
Eat, Move, Save.